The new episode of the SVI test drive series. I'm keeping my voice a bit quiet because we need to switch this isolator on. There we go. And Andre, do you think we can drive the Max 9?
I don't know, eh? Sure. You think we should?
Do you think they'll open the gate for us?
Does it matter?
If you look at this, not really. Let's go for a drive. It feels like I'm sitting a story high, but what is quite interesting always is starting the beast. So engine start button here, and that will awaken the 6.75 litre Cummins engine, over 200 kilowatts, close to 1,000 Newton meters. Listen to this.
That's impressive. So Nicol, how does it feel to drive this beast?
Well, I must tell you, I've never felt so invincible in my life. I mean, you're driving a landmine protected vehicle that can go anywhere, can stop armor-piercing rounds, and even if I go off the road, nothing will stop us. Trees, walls, nothing. So this is the icon of SVI. This is our beast of a military vehicle. I still think this is the site of SVI that shows what SVI can actually do. So what a privilege, and just look around us. It's beautiful, the scenic views. If we hit something, we'll just switch on the wipers.
That sounds fantastic. It's a very powerful motor.